Thank you for joining me. This is my build of a 3D printed Ewok that I found online. A link to the model, where you can download it for free, is in the video description. I started by scaling this model to 9.5 inches tall. I printed it with 10% infill and a layer height of 0.12 mm. The print time on my Elegoo Neptune 2S was about 30 hours. I did not intend this video to be a step-by-step tutorial, so if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. I used support touching the build plate but blocked support on the feet and the head. One mistake I made was setting the density of the supports a little high, at 20%. This made them a little hard to remove, but other than that, it did not cause any issues. After the print finished, I noticed a small print error due to a failed support column. I used the Bondo spot putty to repair the hole. I also added the spot putty to the poncho to hide most of the layer lines and sanded it down before I applied the primer coat. I added 2 coats of primer and caramel base paint before moving on to detail painting. As you will see, I did the detail painting with acrylic paints and a brush. I let the spray paint dry for 24 hours between coats. The acrylic paint dried fast for me. I live in a low humidity environment, typically 8 to 15% in the summer, so paint dries to the touch quickly. Ewoks have several color patterns, and you can get creative with your colors and layering. If you feel you messed up, you can reapply a base coat and start over. I hope you enjoy the video, and again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.